Hey guys, CaliFab here, and today I'm going to do my update for the Partners in Cream project pan. I have not updated since April of 2020, so I do have some really good progress. I have a few empties and I haven't been wearing makeup a lot, so we're there. And I just want to update you on everything I have. I don't think I'm going to be rolling in any more products because I just don't love cream products that much, and I know that that's the point of this project, is to use your cream products, love them and enjoy them, but I just don't have a whole bunch that I want to roll in right now. So that's where we are. Anyways, I want to show you my two empties. So I did finish up this CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Fresh Complexion Foundation in the shade 115. I said I only had about 30 uses on it. That was about accurate. I have used this quite a number of times. I mean, it's like sputtering and dry when I try to pour it out at this point. So I am calling this a finished product. I did wear it a large number of times. This literally could last me an entire year, but it was breaking me out. So I do know this is an older product. I was trying to find a expiration date on here. There are some numbers up here, but I'm not quite sure what they are, but I'm sure this has been well expired throughout the years, so this is a finished product. I have also finished up the Colourpop concealer. I can't even remember what this is called anymore. It's been so long since I've remembered it, but it was in the shade Light Neutral, which was one of their older style shades, and she's gone. I pulled the stopper out. I tried to scrape everything out. The last few uses that I did have on this were so dry. I could barely blend it on my skin. So this is done. It is like literally dried out. I only got it when it was about half full from a girlfriend of mine at work, but I did finish it and I did really enjoy it. However, at the very end when it was getting super dried out, it just kind of looked cakey and bad on my eyes. I won't be repurchasing this. I do like the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer Concealer way better. It is more liquidy and more lightweight, which is what I like, and yeah, so this is done. You guys, so that was it for empties. I wanted to show you my progress. So I have my MAC Fix Plus. This is a full-size bottle and we are getting some usage out of it. I do believe it was completely full when I started it, so now we are around here. I am trying to get through a lot of my MAC items so that I can do a back to MAC at some point in my life, but these are kind of hard to get through and I don't love it like I used to. I used to love these MAC Fix Pluses, but I just don't love them like I used to. Also, this packaging is like turning yellow in color, which means that it's probably expiring, so I definitely want to use this up soon, and it will definitely be used up by the end of the year. I have some more progress on my e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. Once again, the cap is super dirty and gross, but there she is. I do enjoy this. I did talk last time how it looks very yellowy and sparkly on my skin, and it still does, but we are up quite a bit higher than this last line. We're about right there. So I don't know if I'm even going to bother marking it. I'm hoping to just have this finished by my next update so that I don't even have to bother doing that. It is an airless pump, which means it's going upwards. And yeah, I do enjoy these e.l.f. primers. However, I won't repurchase this illuminating one because it's just too sparkly. I didn't get maybe one or two more uses on this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Fringe. I don't know why I'm not using it. I just don't, I just haven't been reaching for makeup, to be totally honest. So no real progress to speak about on this one. However, I love this shade. I always get compliments on my eyes whenever I wear it, so I'm just going to keep using it until I hit pan. And I have more progress on my Mary Dumanizer liquid highlighter. Look how much windowing we have now. I'm actually storing it upside down now because at some point I'm not going to be able to reach the product in the bottom. It is so pretty though. Like, that's a different swatch from my eyeshadow, but like, look at that. It's just gorgeous. Oh, it's so glowy and beautiful. Let me just rub it in so you guys can see how it looks like when you actually rub it into your skin. I have a scar, or I guess a scar from my cat, but like when you rub it in, like, look at that glow. It's just gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Definitely going to be using it. Then I have my Stila Glittering Glow in the shade Diamond Dust. I don't think I used this once, so this is definitely staying in. Then finally, the last product that I ended up putting in last time in April is this Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Stepping Out, one of my absolute favorite liquid lipstick formulas and my favorite shade. I have probably about 4 or 5 of these minis and then a full size, so I just kind of wanted to get through maybe 1 or 2 of these this year. I love them. I will always repurchase this. Hopefully they never reformulate and never change the colors, because this one is my absolute favorite. I have worn this a couple of times. I'm not seeing any windowing yet. However, there is a lot of packaging on here and the doe foot applicator is huge, so I don't believe it's going to take me very long to finish this. As long as I'm wearing my lipstick and wearing my makeup, I will get through this. That was everything. I have been debating on putting in another foundation in here. I am working on the It Cosmetics CC Plus in the shade Light. And I do love this one. I have it marked for finish for 2019, however it is 2020. So you know what, maybe I will go ahead and put this in here. I don't think I have like a very significant amount left. Let's see. When I bring it down off the top, I am right there. So maybe I'll take a screenshot and do like a comparison, but it looks like we are right above the line of other information. So yeah, maybe I'll just kind of track how quickly this, how quickly I can use this up, just to kind of go from there. But I absolutely love this. It looks literally flawless on my skin, which, I love. And it is lightweight. It rubs off so evenly that when it does rub off, you don't even notice that I have foundation on, which is why I really, really like this one. And the SPF of 50 in here is going to make it expire very soon, probably. Yeah, there's just like a lot number on here. I might have to check the expiration date on this one, but I am going to use it until it's finished, so I guess I will add this into this project. Okay, you guys, so that was everything for this update for Partners in Cream. Yes, I know it's July, and yes, I know it's been months since I've updated, but at least we got a couple empties, a couple of solid foundation and concealer empties, which do take a lot of time, so I am happy about that, and I am happy to get a few more things out of my collection that have been getting quite old, and yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!